It's about time you getting over here. I got a new hat, and I got to check out some booties.
Look, you look like you're dressed like Hawaii 5-0 over here. Uh-oh, you got FedEx coming.
Look at her. Always a woman after me. Thank you, sugar.
You too.
Pop watch. City of Latrobe Police Department.
Let's see.
Police is after you or me one.
Latrobe Police Department. They must want you to get a job working for them. Oh. Well, Pop, we're already back. It's time to go back inside.
No, we ain't back. We ain't even left yet.
Oh.
Why ain't you throw that can out?
Because it's still ice cold, Pop. You get the little ones, I get the big ones.
Yeah.
Is
it still good? Cold to your throat?
Only thing that's going to be able to fix that is a hot taco.
You and your taco.
And Nan told me to hit your back wallet today.
Yeah.
She said, make Pop pay for something.
She gave you some money.
She didn't give me no money. She said, make Pop break out some of that.
She gave you some money.
Pop, she said that she put some crisp ends in your back pocket last night.
Some what?
Some crisp ends.
Yeah.
Some crisp 10 and 20s or something like that.
She did too. Why are we going down this way?
After she took a few off the top so she can go shopping at Dillard's. You know what I mean?
That's probably about right.
Look at that cat.
Where's the cat at?
Laying right there. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her.
Meow. Hello, kitty. Laying there. You in the shade, aren't you? Huh? What?
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Go over and play with Nan.
Kitty, kitty. Give me one more kitty, kitty, kitty.
She's sleepy.
She wants you to get out there and play in the dirt with her.
Yeah.
There was another cat over there too, laying down.
I didn't see it.
I think they're buddies. Man, somebody just let their trash just go all down the street. I guess when the trash man came, whatever flew out, flew out. You know what I mean?
Damn.
All that stuff. Boy, it is hot today.
You better believe it.
They said it's supposed to get up to about 97 degrees.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Probably already 100.
Yeah.
Out there just sitting down out there at the filling station, ain't doing nothing. Man, where's all these people coming from?
I don't know, but I'm about to dart out here.
No, you ain't.
I gotta go.
I don't care. I'm in here.
Here I go. Here I go. You think this 18-wheeler beside me is going to slow down? Look over here. Huh?
Yeah. What are you doing?
I'm getting in the turning lane.
You could have did it.
Yeah, I don't trust these folks.
Look at the booty on that.
Oh, Nan told me the other day she got in an argument with somebody at Dairy Queen because they wouldn't let you have extra cheese on your tacos. Did she tell you that?
No.
Yeah. She said that. She
won, though, didn't she?
How you know that?
Because I had extra cheese on my taco.
All right, Pop. I'm going to pull in here to the post office and I'm going to run in there and check the P.O. box, see if y'all got any letters from y'all's fans.
Okay, if there's anybody, any women in there with big booties, tell them I'm out here waiting for them. Or just whistle and I'll come in there. Did I get a lot of mail?
Ain't no women in there for you, though.
Wasn't no women in there?
Now, let's see what we got. A fan sent Connor some educational magazine highlights. That's cool. Ooh, sharks. He's going to like that.
Yeah.
That's from Carolina Skiff. Oh, wait. What is this right here?
That's
Look,
my mail.
that one's for you. Right there.
Now hi. Pilgrims.
Pilgrim's Fried Chicken. Let's see. You got something from Michigan. A few letters from Michigan. You got some from Delaware.
They all know me.
Those pills any good, Pop?
They taste like shit.
What about that free Dr. Pepper you're guzzling them down with?
Well, I bought it, son. I know it tastes good.
Come on, Pop, make a commercial real quick. What do you say when you drink a crisp Dr. Pepper?
Sure is good.
Dr. Pepper, it tastes better when you buy them, huh?
Yeah. They all taste good like that to me when I'm buying them. Oh, look at that blonde driving that Cadillac. She knows she's got it.
She was just whipping that thing through the traffic, wasn't she?
You ain't sitting. You think he noticed that bird shit
Where?
on that car?
Oh my goodness, it looked like he parked up under a bird feeder with all that bird dookie.
You think he notices?
It's all over the front of that windshield. He oughta. You get enough to eat?
There's shit, Jeff. I didn't know you were ready to back out
Yeah.
with all that bird shit.
Well, I'm telling
I
you.
wouldn't drive up right around that thing. That's a brand new car.
Yep. It was either one bird or it was a bunch of them. And look, it's even on the side. It splattered on the top and then ran down the side.
Yeah.
It's on the other side of the car too. You can see it on the passenger window.
Pretty good sized bird to do turds like that. Look at that. You think she's hot? Was that a she or a he? You don't know shit.
All right, Pop, I'm running into Burlington's real quick. I'll be right back.
Okay. You see that chick with that pink shirt on? You tell her to come out here and say hi to me.
Home sweet home, Pop.
We don't have a place else to go.
No, sir.
Shit. Well, that ain't worth a shit.
We've been plenty of places today.
I don't know where it's at.
I think we saw every bit of Longview to hold you over for at least a month.
Yeah.
You got your pill bottle in your... Did you... Okay, you got it?
Yeah. You want to throw that can away?
No, I'm gonna recycle it at my house.
You ain't gonna do shit. Talking about you recycle.
You look good in your shirt and hat today.
Thank you.
Nan
We can
did.
go someplace else in a minute.
I got. I might have to get Connor to the pool later.
Okay, I'll go with you.
That's a lot of walking down there. I don't know if you could make it. What you need to do is enjoy this fresh cut grass that you have in your front and backyard.
Who done it?
Me and Dad.
Well, I know that's a lie.
But hey, if I got anywhere else,
You gonna take me?
I'll let you know.
Okay. Well, let's go.
I got to discuss that with the authorities. Remember, if I got anywhere else to go, you be ready.
I'm ready right now. Let's go.